The aircraft doesn't matter if it is an Boeing 737 MAX or if it is a Cessna, all the aircraft will have the same parts. In the next video, I'm describing a Boeing 737 NG of Boliviana de Aviación BOA and a CRJ-200 of Amazonas. Okay, so I'm gonna explain now the many parts of an aircraft. Here we have the fuselage. The fuselage is the body of the aircraft, okay? And here we have the power plant. Here we have the engine. This is a typical engine. In this case, it's a turbine engine. The model is CFM 6056-7. And here we have the landing gear. This is the nose landing gear, part of the main landing gear. This is the system, the landing gear. This is the nose landing gear. And here in the back part of the aircraft, we have the main landing gear. So the landing gear supports all the weight of the aircraft and it allows the aircraft to move on the ground. This is the main landing gear and the fuselage, okay? Okay, here we have the wing. The wing is one of the most important parts of an aircraft. Here it produces the force of lift. It allows the aircraft to lift, to take off from the ground. So, and here one other force is produced by the engine, the force of thrust. So remember, here we have the wing, the force of lift is produced, and there with the engine, the force of thrust.
Yeah.
Okay, here we have the empennage. The empennage is composed by the vertical and horizontal stabilizer. On the vertical stabilizer, we have the rudder, and here in the horizontal stabilizer, we have the elevator. So this allows the aircraft to move up, to move down, or to move to the right or the left. And with these surfaces, you can move the aircraft to the right or to the left.
Vale.
So here we have another aircraft. This is a CRJ-200 that has almost the same parts as many aircrafts. Here you have the fuselage, landing gear, wings. On the rear part you have the empennage and the engine. So if you see this airplane compared with a Boeing 737 NG, you know the parts are the same in any aircraft. Fuselage, wings, engine, landing gear, and empennage, horizontal and vertical stabilizer.